नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौरभक्त वृंदा. Enunciating text 38, text 39 and text 40 of chapter 7. Further inquiries by Vidura of third canto of status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 38. पुरुषस्य च संस्थानं स्वरूपं वा परस्य च ज्ञानं च नैगमम यत तद गुरुशिष्य प्रयोजनम. What are the truths regarding the living entities and the supreme personality of Godhead? What are their identities? What are the specific values in the knowledge in the Vedas, and what are the necessities for the spiritual master and his disciples? The living entities are constitutionally servitors of the Lord, who can accept all kinds of service from everyone. It is clearly declared, Bhagavad Gita 5.29, that the Lord is the supreme enjoyer of the benefits of all sacrifices and penances, the proprietor of all that is manifested, and the friend of all living entities. That is his real identity. Therefore, when the living entity accepts the supreme proprietorship of the Lord and acts in that attitude, he resumes his real identity. In order to elevate the living entity to this standard of knowledge, there is the necessity of spiritual association. The bona fide spiritual master desires that his disciples know the process of rendering transcendental service to the Lord, and the disciples also know that they have to learn about the eternal relationship between God and the living entity from a self-realized soul. To disseminate transcendental knowledge, one must retire from mundane activities on the strength of enlightenment in knowledge in terms of Vedic wisdom. That is the sum and substance of all the questions in this verse. Text 39. Nimittani cha tasyeha प्रोक्तान्य नघ सूरिभिः स्वतो ज्ञानम कुतः पुंसाम भक्तिर वैराग्यमेव वा. Spotless devotees of the Lord have mentioned the source of such knowledge. How could one have knowledge of devotional service and detachment without the help of such devotees? There are many inexperienced persons who advocate self-realization without the help of a spiritual master. They decry the necessity of a spiritual master and try themselves to take his place by propagating the theory that the spiritual master is not necessary. Srimad Bhagavatam, however, does not approve this viewpoint. Even the great transcendental scholar Vyasdev had need of a spiritual master, and on the instruction of a spiritual master Narad, he prepared the sublime literature Srimad Bhagavatam. Even Lord Chaitanya, although he is Krishna himself, accepted a spiritual master. Even Lord Krishna accepted a spiritual master, Sandipani Muni, in order to be enlightened, and all the acharyas and saints of the world had spiritual masters. In Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna accepted Lord Krishna as a spiritual master, although there was no necessity of such a formal declaration. So in all cases, there is no question about the necessity of accepting a spiritual master. The only stipulation is that the spiritual master should be bona fide, that is, the spiritual master must be in the proper chain of disciplic succession called the Parampara system. Suris are great scholars, but they may not be always be anagha or spotless. The anagha Suri is one who is a pure devotee of the Lord. Those who are not pure devotees of the Lord or wants to be on an equal level with him are not anagha Suri. Pure devotees have prepared many books of knowledge on the basis of authorized scriptures. Srila Rupa Goswami and his assistants, under the instructions of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, have all written various literatures for the guidance of prospective devotees, and anyone who is very serious about raising himself to the standard of a pure devotee of the Lord must take advantage of those literatures. Text 40. Etanme pruchyatah prashnan hareha karma vivitsaya bruhi me adnyasya mitrattvajaya nashta chakshushaha. My dear sage, I have put all these questions before you with a view to knowing the pastimes of Hari, the supreme personality of Godhead. You are the friend of all, so kindly describe them for all those who have lost their vision. Vidur put forward many varieties of questions with a view to understanding the principles of transcendental loving service to the Lord. As stated in Bhagavad Gita 2.41, devotional service to the Lord is one, and the mind of the devotee is not diverted to the many branches of uncertainties. Vidur's purpose was to be situated in that service to the Lord wherein one merges undivertedly. He claimed the friendship of Maitreya Muni not because he was Maitreya's son, but because Maitreya was actually the friend of all who have lost their spiritual vision due to material influence. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.